guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right about now I'm actually driving to the gas station to get my car vacuumed because I am about to use the Chemical Guy car smell, new car smell. And the direction that I read, if I remember what I read, it said shake well and vacuum any debris and old food or stains that may be importing foul smell. In my car don't really have no smell. I don't really have no old food, but I do need to get a vacuum. It's been a while I haven't got a vacuum. I got to remove all of the weather mats because I got the original mats on the floor, of course, but the weather mats is on top. But guys, if you're new to my channel, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Welcome to my channel, man. I really appreciate you guys. I'm trying to grow this channel. Turn on the AC and too much noise outside anyways. But yeah, I'm driving to the gas station. This one particular gas station that I usually go to, the vacuum is really strong, powerful, and it's really good. It's like $1.25, so can't go wrong. But I will be using the Chemical Guy, and I will let you guys know if it really gives that new car smell. But the new car smell that I'm originally looking for is the one that comes straight off the lot, and that's what they say. But we gonna see. A lot of people say a lot of things to sell their product, and when it comes to reality, none of that is true. But stay tuned, guys. I don't want to hold you up. Stay tuned. Alright guys, that's the gas station on your right that I'm going to. I'm about to turn into the plaza right now. McDonald's right here. And this is the Chevron gas station that I always come to because the vacuum is basically new. So can't go wrong. Hopefully nobody is there. You know what? Could I drive? Yeah, let me drive through here and then cut in properly. Yep. Go inside, probably get me a drink. Oh no, somebody's in front of me. Oh, they park on the opposite side. So this is the vacuum right here, and I'm about to take out all the I'm about to take all my rugs out. Let me reverse a little bit. Alright, so we at the destination, guys. I'm about to take out my see all those trash I need to clean out in here. Take out the weather mats, and I'm gonna put them in the trunk. Alright, so this is the back seat. I'm gonna take the one out from back here. I know it's not going to be that bad back here because shouldn't be that bad. Take this weather mats out. There we go. So that's one. Let me throw all these away. Alright guys, as you can see, I removed the weather mats, and this is the front seat, the front mats right here. I'm not going to remove it. I'm just going to spray the new car scent. New car smell, premium air freshener, and odor neutralizer from Chemical Guy. And let's bust it open, man. Twist that open. Spray. They said to spray it before you vacuum. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll spray it before I vacuum. I haven't even got the change yet to vacuum the vehicle, but let me just spray it down first. Let it soothe in. And then it smelled pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. It smelled really good. Yeah, it smells really good. So, but they said to spray it first before you vacuum. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm doing. I want to see when it's soothing and everything, how, if the smell is going to last. The back is not even bad. Really not at all. But the spray actually smelled good. It smelled pretty good. It smelled really good actually. I do my best to keep the vehicle clean, you know, at all times. So, not bad at all. Alright, there you have it. There you have it, guys. Nice and clean, vacuum. And it smells amazing in here, of course. The same for the back and also for the front as well. Nice and clean, vacuum, can't go wrong. And this is from the other side, of course. Last but not least, the front seat. So yeah, guys, it smells amazing. I'm not gonna lie, the product smells amazing. I am sweating like crazy. I need to get some gas too, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it when I finish this video. Woo. Whew. Oh man, so it smells amazing. Where is it? Okay, it's right here. So it smells amazing, guys. It do smell semi-what of a clean car. You have like a not a clean car, but a new car. But my mom just recently purchased a 2022 Lexus RX 350, and it's leather. So it have a special new car scent to it. The scent that I'm smelling from this, it's different. But I still like the clean scent that I'm smelling from this. I don't know if you guys have tried this before. The scent is not bad. It does have like a new car. It's not the new car scent that I'm actually looking for. That's close to the new vehicle that my mom bought. But I think this will be like one of the closest. So it said premium air freshener and odor neutralizer. The smell of a new car was once a temporary scent that many people tried their best to hold on to. Now the chemical guy new car smell premium air freshener you can replicate. So it's semi to it. It's not full, but it smells good. I love the smell. It smells amazing, guys. So I picked it up at Walmart. It was like $10 and change. Not bad for a 16 ounce, you know, 16 ounce. It smells amazing. It smells good. So if you have an older car, which is my car is an older car. This is a 2008 Toyota Avalon. And if you have an older car and you're looking for air freshener that is not too high, or because I have allergies problem, and so far the smell doesn't bother me. I don't know, maybe if I spray it on my hands and try to smell it like that, it'd probably bother me. But me doing what they say shake well and spray the carpet, spray the rugs, and vacuum it. And in here smells amazing. I have my AC on, so you know it smells amazing in here. And I make sure I make the car air out, and because when I went to get the change from the gas station, I also bought something to drink. So it's not a high scent that will just knock you out. It's not out of this world. It's mild, but it smells good. And I don't know how long the scent is gonna hold on in here. This is my first time using it. So if you guys looking for a new car smell and you have an older vehicle or even a newer vehicle, you know, and that smell that you used to is fading away, I advise you guys to pick it up and try it. You know, spray it on your rug, on the carpet, whatever, vacuum it. I do have to clean my my weather mats so I could put it back in the car, because I don't want to get these original mats really dirty like that. As you can see, I only have like certain spots on the one that's in the front, but in the back looks really clean. But yeah guys, that's all I got to offer for you guys. Check it out. I love it. It's not bad. I got an old car. I know you guys see a few tree air fresheners. Those tree air fresheners that I have is old. They've been gone. The smell been gone. The only one that's holding on is this Mr. Something Deluxe. I'm gonna show it to you guys. It's this one right here smells really good. Have like a mango smell to it. I bought it at the gas station like a month ago or 3 weeks ago. I bought it at the gas station. It's still holding on. It still smells good. But as for the chemical guy in here, smells amazing. I love it. Check it out guys. If you love this video, if you love my content, hit that like button, leave a comment, tell me what you think. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate the love and the support guys. I'm trying to do my best to grow this channel. Help me out. When you come across this channel and you're new, please hit that subscribe button. If you made it to the end and you love my content, please support your boy, please. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check it out. This is the new car smell chemical guy premium air freshener and odor neutralizer. Yep. Peace. Bye bye. Take care and God bless. I'm out of here. For real. Peace.